Today I'm very excited to bring to you an honest review of this 3-pack of Christmas dog toys. So let's go and check them out. They're all going to be Christmas themed. So we have the Santa Claus right here, as you can see. Very, very funny. And this is a great place for you to go ahead and hold when you're playing tug of war. And as you can hear, it has that very nice crinkly sound. And also has a squeaker there as well. Your dog will absolutely love that. So first Santa Claus. Then we are going to have this very beautiful star, snowflake style. And this one's also going to have a squeaker, and also that crinkly paper all inside of there, and some great little tags for him to go ahead and use to go and bite on. Now, last but not least, we do have this, as you can see right here, a Christmas tree. So starting at the top, has the star, a squeaker right here, and that crinkly powder going all the way. That crinkly paper is so nice. And your dog will love this. So if you're trying to go ahead and celebrate Christmas, get your dog some toys, I'd highly recommend these ones right here. Comes in a set of 3, and they'll absolutely love them. I love how it has the squeaker, the crinkly paper, all in one.